Hi guys, Melissa here, and today I want to talk about how to make your house clean super fast. And I'm not talking about deep clean. I'm talking you get a phone call, someone says they're going to stop by in 15 minutes, and you look around and start sweating because your house is a hot mess. So before I get into it, I want to ask you to please click the thumbs up on this video, maybe even consider subscribing to my channel because I'm really working hard at it, and it means a lot to me. So let's get going. Okay, so like I said, you're at home, it's a hot mess, you're in your pajamas, whatever, and you get a phone call and someone says they're gonna pop by unexpectedly. So again, this is not an actual cleaning routine. This is how to make your house, how to fake a clean house. So if you only have about 15 minutes, the first thing I want you to do is light a scented candle, or if you use oil diffusers, start an oil diffuser, because a clean house smells clean, and that will give kind of the first impression that your house is clean, and it takes like all of 10 seconds to do. The next thing I want you to do is to grab a basket or a bag or a box, I don't care what it is, and I want you to walk around the house and grab all the mess, like if there's clothes, toys, anything that's out of place, stash it in the box, stick the box in your bedroom, in a closet, it doesn't matter, bathroom, not the guest bathroom, just in case. Just stick it out of the way to deal with later. Just get rid of the clutter that's on your furniture and anything like that. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to walk around and we're going to fluff the living room pillows. I don't know about you, but like if you're sitting there, they get kind of squished, or they might not be arranged. Just walk 30 seconds, fluff them, arrange them, and you're good. Okay. Sorry, I keep looking at my little list here. So next thing you're going to do is look at the kitchen. Okay, if you have dirty dishes sitting out, put them in the dishwasher. If you don't have time for that, put them all in the sink. Fill the sink up with soap and bubbles, and it'll look like you just paused from washing your dishes, and it'll hide them. And then if you need to, wipe the counters down. So we're running out of time now. That's probably taking you about 10 minutes or so. And then I want you to really quickly, I learned this one the hard way, go look in the guest bathroom and make sure it's clean. I had a get together at my house, like a little coffee group or wine night a few years ago, and I have 3 little boys, and I went into the bathroom at the end of the night and saw that my boys had peed down, like they were little, they were like 3 or 4, and had peed like all over the bathroom. It was horrible, and I had not checked it right before I had cleaned it earlier in the day, but I hadn't checked it right before the guests came. So everyone that was at my house for that little wine night that went to the bathroom got to deal with that. It was really embarrassing, and so now I always check the guest bathroom, especially if you have 3 little boys, before someone pops by my house. Okay, so if you have 15 minutes, you're just gonna do that. You're gonna make it smell good, grab the clutter and hide it, basically. You're going to fluff the pillows, clear the kitchen counters, and check the bathroom. Okay, if you have 30 minutes, you're going to do all of that, plus you're going to vacuum or sweep the main living areas, or like kind of the entryway or the living room, wherever you think that they're going to be when they pop by, and the kitchen and the bathroom. So you're just going to clean the floors. So all those 5 basic things, plus cleaning the floors anywhere you think your guests might go. So just a real quick vacuum or sweep. If you have an hour, you're going to do all of that. Plus, you're going to look around to see if you need to dust anything in the living room entry area. You can mop if you need it, and change out the hand towels in the bathroom and the kitchen. I know my kitchen, the hand towels I actually use in my kitchen on a daily basis are not like the pretty ones that look nice hanging on the oven handle. So I'll usually stash those under the ones I use under the sink, and then hang the pretty decorative ones up. And the bathroom hand towel, like if you have a little nice one to hang up, or the one that's in there isn't clean, just switch that out for a fresh one. It's just like a little touch that kind of makes a difference. And then the last thing would be to wipe down the mirrors or any glass. I have a glass coffee table, so I would wipe down the mirror in the bathroom. And that's all. And so that's a really easy way that you can fake a clean house when you have unexpected guests. In another video, I'm going to talk about how to clean your whole house in an hour, like a deep clean, but it's kind of labor intensive and you'd be sweating. So you don't want to be all sweaty when your guests get there. So those little easy tips can help you to get your house clean. I'm going to leave a link in the description And I'll try to add it to the video as well that has a printable that on my blog where you can print out this sheet and keep it handy. So if you do have unexpected guests, you can pull it out and see what you need to do really quickly. And I hope that helps. Please remember to like this, give it a little thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it. I hope this helped you out. Bye-bye.